This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Gina Dempsey. This home has an open floor plan with split bedrooms, large front yard and very private fenced backyard with a shed with wired electric for additional storage space along with a 2-car garage. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with 2-car garage. This home offers community amenities of beautiful maintained pool, clubhouse, tennis courts, with a very short talk to Indian River to enjoy. Owner is ready to relocate, so call office to show. Nice homes surrounding and quite street. New AC compressor and hot water heater less than 2 years old, roof only 5 years old. Decorative concrete floors. For more information, review the details below or contact Gina Dempsey at 321-427-1254.